Good evening, everybody. I got myself a muffler today. What it looks like to be one of the coupe 220 coupes muffler. Some say maybe Pagoda, maybe not. I'm not so sure. Um, I'm thinking about hooking it up so I can run up the engine. As you know, last time I only had it running for like 20-25 seconds at a time, 2-3 runs, and that's it. Now I hope to be able to run it up to the temperature, although I haven't set up the radiator yet. All I have is a complete cooling system without the radiator, so I just put the 104 tank on the top of the engine here, just run a T into the loop. So I have the pressure relief just in case, and as you can see, the line just runs all around the engine, goes under the black line here, goes underneath it, and comes out right here, going into the pump housing, and then the big line that's supposed to go into the radiator is just looped around for now. This is 1.5 inch line. So I hope to be able to run this up for a little longer for now. And the radiator is here, but since this is a 103 radiator from the 103 engine, like 300 SEL, the hookup is on the left side, so in order for me to use it, I would have to extend the stand a significant amount, and I do have the mounts and everything already. It's just I'm running out of room. There's no way I can do this in a garage at this point. So until we get some warmer weather, I think this project is gonna go on a side, and I'm gonna take care of a few other little things that I can. But nevertheless, I still want to run it up and get the nice, reliable idle, check the mixture and all this stuff. So hopefully, maybe tomorrow, if the weather cooperates, or day after, I will definitely have this running again with the exhaust hooked up. So then I'm not upsetting my neighbors too much. Well, anyway, that's thanks for watching. It was just a little update. If any of you have an idea of what I could use here as a temporary muffler, because as you can see, this thing is long and stuff, so I don't want to cut it at this point yet because the cans don't look that bad. So I think I'd be able to use this for a final test as almost a proper muffler. So, well, anyway, we'll see how it goes. I would love to get an extra flange like this, those double flanges that go in here. Then what I could do, I could have that, I could have just the angled part here, and then cut it somewhere, a few inches down the line, and just weld a normal muffler to it. So a single muffler would be plenty for just testing and setting it up, right? So if any of you may have stuff like this, please let me know. I'm definitely interested in building some temporary muffler solution here for this. So because as you can see, this will take an hour for me to roll this out and set it all up. So I definitely have to pay attention to the weather and all this. Anyway, that's enough mumbling for tonight. That's all. Thank you.